You are my partner, and I wouldn't do anything to help you.
Yeah, I know.
No, you keep them. They might be just as a souvenir.
Thanks.
Castro,
Yes, senor.
send in to women.
Very well.
Oh. That's all right, honey.
How'd you do? Well, you are the young lady my very good friend Marcel sent from New Orleans.
But Sorry, big shot, but your guess is out of whack.
What?
Yeah.
This is the man who sent for me.
Art.
That must be your guy.
Yeah. Dave,
Yeah.
come sit back your picture to La Terrasso.
I'm not interested. If it's okay with you, she can take the next boat back, and you can collect the bet.
But Dave...
It's worth $1,000 to have the distinction of sending one of them back without a wedding ring.
Say, does he mean he doesn't want to marry her?
Well, it is unfortunate he is so stupid. But you would be my guest until the next boat to Ortega?
I don't want to wait until the next boat. I want to go now if he doesn't want me.
Dave, why don't you take a look at her?
Well, he said it. There is no other boat for a month. But until then, my house is your house. Brownie, take the lady's baggage to the castle.
Hey, wait a minute, Vaughn. I've changed my mind. Brownie, take her home. Tell Doc to dust off the prayer book.
Here. Hey, I got a note for you, teacher.
Ah, Marcel has the taste of a baboon. You go back in the next boat.
Oh, yeah? Well, that don't hurt my feelings none, big boy. But in the meantime, where do I park the body?
Castro will take care of you when he comes back. Now, raus mit dir.
Unless that's a dirty crack. You mean get out?
Ja.
Okay. I just wanted to be sure.
So, mein Freund changes his mind, and von Luden pays the bet. With my compliments.
Thanks. Have a drink.
Ja, danke. Oh, I must tell you about my plan. You don't think that my partner and my friend could get married without von Luden making it a big event here in La Terrasso?
Yeah. Lotta Grossa needs to be impressed.
Yeah. Well, look. Tonight at my place, we have the weddings. All of them. The General's and Joe's and Phil's and yours. And then we have a big party and a fine feast. Yeah?
Okay. But your generosity's killing me.
Yeah. To the brides.
To the brides. Bless 'em and heaven help 'em.
Yeah.
For the love of Pete.
Like it?
It's real. And suffering cats look at the headlights.
But how in the world do you suppose he managed these things here in the wilderness?
He? Oh, you mean your oncoming spouse. What's his name? Hart? Dave Hart?
Uh-huh. I haven't seen him, though, since down at the bar this afternoon. A native who almost frightened me out of my wits popped in the minute Brownie left, planted a box with this dress and things in my lap, and ran out without a word.
Well, not a bad joint you fell into. Wait till you get a load of the cannibals' garage they parked me in.
Garage?
Yeah, with a medicine man on one side of me and the local stockyard on the other.
Stockyard?
Yeah, oxes, goats. Oh, I guess I can stand it till the next boat gets in.
Then Van Luden is going to let you go?
Sure. He took one look at my pan and my bunion. Between the two, they turned the trick.
Oh, Mame, I can never tell you.
Hey, cut that Mame stuff. That's your money, Canal, whether you like it or not, see?
Well, 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 if we ain't got a visitor.
Hello?
Say, he ain't deaf and dumb, 'cause I heard him myself this afternoon.
Oh, he just got a lot on his mind.
I bet.
Gee, you look swell. And you ain't so bad either.
Yeah, and I see you got your laundry back.
You like it?
Why not?
Coming to Vaughn's party, ain't you?
A party?
Sure, at Vaughn's castle. Say, will you get a look at his joint? I'll bet it cost $250,000 to transplant the Louis chairs and junk down here in no man's land.
Oh, so he's a multi-millionaire. And he really knows how to throw a party?
Well, anyhow, we call them parties before the fights start.
Try and keep me away. With a champagne leather pusher for a partner.
You mean the big boss passed up your ticket?
Sure. I'm just a babe in the woods.
I want to thank you for reconsidering this afternoon.
Yeah?
And for sending all these lovely things, this dress and the necklace and...
You can say that for Von Luden. Flatters his ego to furnish the costumes for the brides. And among other things, he considers himself quite a connoisseur of feminine weaknesses.
Would you prefer that I didn't wear them?
Suit yourself. They represent what you came for, don't they?
Now what? Don't tell me you're battling before you tie the knot.
Here. Take them away. Wear them yourself. Do anything you want with them.
Why, with pleasure, dearie. But
I'll show him what he's marrying.
Don't you think she's swell?
how do you spell it?
Oh, say, Lita, give me a kiss.
Say, she's not bad.
She's not as nice as you
boy,
are,
old
baby.
girl.
Don't worry about that.
You think so?
I think so.
Terrible. I should do better than that.
Sure you can.
Sure.
Pretty good. Pretty good down here.
Oh, anywhere.
My word. How shocking.
Imagine that one being shocked.
Oh, get back in line, you big slug.
Oh, pipe down, you.
What's the...
Hey, come on now, listen. We came here for fun. We didn't come here to fight.
I want to go home.
That's a great idea, baby. Well, let's
She
make that.
started it, and she shouldn't do that.
All right,
She
come
gets in my head.
Well,
You think, Doc, wait a minute. You think a man should ever get married?
well, it all depends.
Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.
I help you.
That's all right.
You are interested in my tapestry?
Yes. It's lovely. Very old, isn't it?
Ja. That is the 17th century. And you
Oh! You broken pig!
see... Du dummer Ochs, du!
Das ist gut, Senor.
Come, Naomi, she help you fix it up the stairs.
Well, what did you do then?
Well, I jabbed him back.
Did you?
Finished the first round. Second
Oh,
round.
wait a minute. I didn't hear what you were saying. Tell me again.
Well, Philadelphia's fight was. First round, he was winning. I was getting mad.
We can't fix it without needle and thread. You wait here. Naomi, she bring him.
I was getting terrible mad this time. I turned and give him a hit.
Who won?
Ooh. Mary! Dave, where's Mary? Where is she?
You think you trick von Luden, huh? Then.
Oh! Oh! Open that door! Open it and let her out, you big baboon! Wake up, you cockeyed inebriated fish!
Go away.
Do you hear me? Let me out! Let me out!
What's the idea? What's the idea?
The kid's on the spot with Bob. She's on the level, you dummy. She's your wife.
Oh.
Mary! Oh, Mary! She's up there in the bedroom. Mary! Mary!
Open this door. Open this door.
Lay up.
In the sixth round, I socked him.
Yeah?
Right.
Come on, get up here.
Hey,
Get
what?
on your feet.
What's the?
Come here.